What's good?
Well, hello.
What's good? What's good? So as you can see, it's snowing. Oh wait, you can't really see.
Like crazy, like it's like crazy.
You can't really tell.
It's snowing like a blizzard. Like a blizzard. Like,
But we just got done from church.
it's a band. Wait, you guys have to go.
We just got done with church. Now we're walking home. Dad, right? We're walking home. Hey, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. And the sky looks really weird color, right, Dad? Weird color, right?
Yeah,
What do you think of that, Dad?
What?
What color?
What color?
Well, look at the colors.
Color of what?
Wow.
It's like in their hair.
What?
Wow. Look at this.
Color of what?
Hair. Their hair.
Don't show his head, Sabine. And it's snowing.
시장 안으로 들어갈 걸.
Oh, it stopped snowing now. What in the world?
시장 안으로 있어.
What in the world?
Better.
Alright, now we're gonna go to Xijang, which is like an outdoor grocery store. Open market. And if you have read the Hunger Games, it kind of reminds you of the Sabine, what's that called? The black market in Hunger Games. The Hobbs. The Hobbs. This reminds you of the Hobbs. Like right now, we're trying to find it. It's quite cold actually.
What? My phone turned off mid.
And these are all the stores. Oh, look at all these wires. Jeez, it's ridiculous. I don't know what to say.
Mama, give me your phone. My phone.
Oh, they have a little arm machine, catching arm machine. Here it is. Here it is. We're going into the hub. We're going into the hub. We're going into the hub. Going into the hub. We're going into the hub. We're going into the hub. Going into the hub. Here we go. It is. Boom. The black market of Korea. The black market of Korea. Sabine, how do you feel about that?
What?
Here, okay, I'm gonna send the vlogging powers to you. Okay, so your video is gonna appear on my video. Here we go. Now you're seeing what Sabine's seeing.
Now you are crazy. Okay.
Here we go, the Hob.
Here, it's like the Hob. It's kind of like the Hob. It's like the black market.
Yeah, the black market.
But it's really cheap and good. Not like Sazi or like soup or anything. But like, boom, look at it. It stopped snowing. Like, it started snowing like crazy, and then finally, it just stopped. And then like, the wind was like hissing, like, it's crazy. Anyways, here's the black market. It's called the Xijang, so market, you know? Not like regular Walmart. Vegetables.
People here, they grow all their food and sell it here. Wow.
Got fishes. Clothes. Mostly food here. Mostly food here. They have Australian meat, you know.
Yeah, they don't
But
get meat from
that's
the
not
USA
the.
from Australia.
They don't. It's not as good as the USA meat.
Rice cakes.
This one's closed.
This one's closed.
This is
This is
closed.
This is closed.
And then this is the meat place
And
that
this is the meat place.
we usually go to. And this is and here like it's like strawberries, Dad. Mama, strawberries. Strawberries. Mama, strawberries. Anyway, you don't see strawberries in like regular days, like in Costco. You really don't find.
Wow.
Bam! It's snowing again like crazy.
Wow, you're not gonna hold it.
See?
You look ridiculous.
Snowing like crazy again. Everyone's staring at you. See, it's like huge. Like bam, it starts like snowing. Like it's snowing.
Okay, I'm gonna put your vlog in my vlog, okay?
Wonderful, huh? Wonderful. 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 Oh, look, it's like a blizzard, like crazy. Oh, it hit me in the face. It's going like crazy now. Can't see. Oh, that's bad. Bad luck. Oh, no, whoa, look at this. Look at this. Look. Like, it's snowing like crazy. Like, crazy. Like, crazy.
The blizzard out here.
Oh, look at the hair. The snow. All the way snow. Oh, look at the jacket.
Still the black market.
Yes, this is like the Hobbs. It's like a blizzard. Like,
No.
no. Oh, it tastes disgusting too. Don't try it.
Snow?
Yes.
Snow's water.
Oh, it tastes disgusting.
That tastes amazing.
Don't. Oh, like it's snowing like crazy. Oh. Like people are staring at me because it's like we're speaking English. Oh, and Mom is in the coat. It's snowing like crazy, like a blizzard, like boom, like it just stopped and like boom. You know?
Oh yeah, I bought one yesterday.
Snowing like crazy, Mom. I love it. Snowing. Fun. Oh, it's like a blizzard, like it's crazy, like it's in the middle. It's not a blizzard. You guys have not seen a blizzard. Okay, fine. It's not a blizzard. It's a blizzard of small snow. Okay, so it's like a storm. It's not a storm. Okay, it's like a wind. It's just snowing a lot. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so it's just snowing. Lightly. It's a blizzard.
It's snowing like crazy. It's a blizzard out here.
Oh, look at the hair, the snow, all the way snow. Oh, look at the jacket.
We're still in the black market.
Yes, it's like the Hobbs.
It smells funky. And there is our humble abode.
That is our home.
Alright. Oh, okay, you see right here? A few days, maybe like a month ago. There was a little kid who got hit by a car here and was bleeding like crazy. My Steadicam is beast. Steadicam's on!
It's like snowing, it's like crazy snowing. Fine, I'll do Steadicam now. And there's a playground. Stop. Playground.
In our playground. Okay. Playground.
Oh, it's snowing like crazy again.
Oh, okay, here we go. I'm gonna test out the elevator thing. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. We're gonna wait. Sabine, you go to the third floor. You go to the third floor and press it, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll press. Okay, so just go start walking. Do it fast, okay? Press it. No, huh? Okay, go up fast and press the third floor.
So, we're testing out a theory. Like, it's like we live on the 5th floor. So if someone's pressing something on the 4th floor, if you just press the close button, it'll just pass right them. Or something like that. Do you get what I'm saying? You probably don't. But there's a guy there. I can't go there. Oh no. Oh no. Afraid of people. I can't speak any Korean.
Oh my gosh, I have to go pee so bad. I'm gonna pee in my pants. Please. Oh dang, I should have just gone there and not done this. I gotta go pee so bad. Come on, I'm doing this for you, David Hill. Oh my gosh. Gotta go pee. No, B1. Why is it going to B1? I need to go 1. Goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Please, I have to go pee. Oh, I'm gonna pee in my pants. Please. 안녕하세요.
올라갑니다. 5초. 문이 닫힙니다.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna pee my pants. I'm gonna pee my. Gotta start undoing my belt.
4층입니다.
No, I missed it.
문이 열립니다.
Stop, I have to go pee. I wasn't doing it. I just have to go pee so bad. I didn't test it. I'm sorry, David Young. I'm sorry. I have to go pee so bad. Like, I have to undo my belt right now because I'm gonna stick and pee in my pants. Jeez, please.
T5.
I didn't test it. I'm sorry, David Young. I'm sorry. I have to go pee so bad. Like, I have to undo my belt right now because I'm gonna stick and pee in my pants. Jeez, please.
TMI. I personally think there's a camera right there. Fancy elevator, really. It talks to itself all the time. All the time. We're doing code. You cannot see the code. Or you will stalk us in the house. And we don't like a stalker. We do bad things to stalkers. Very bad things. I am very random, so if you didn't get along, it's not your fault.
Wow. Wow.